Imagine making flawless rip cuts, perfect crosscuts, and precise bevels on every single piece of wood you touch. Whether you're a weekend warrior building furniture or a professional contractor framing houses, the right table saw is the heart of your workshop. Today, we are breaking down the top 5 table saws of 2026 that will transform your woodworking game. From the absolute best overall performer to incredible value options, powerful worm drive beasts, and even a saw that cuts metal, I have tested them all on the Jobsite. Stick around because we are finding the perfect saw for your needs and your budget. Before we dive in, check the links in the description below for the best prices on all these saws, and make sure to hit that like button, share this with your fellow woodworkers, and subscribe for more honest reviews. Starting at number 1, we have the DeWalt DWE7491 RS 10-inch Jobsite table saw, and this is our pick for the best overall. This table saw really has it all. Assembly from box to saw-mounted stand took less than 20 minutes, and moving away from the conventional kickstand configuration, the DeWalt saw employs 4 folding legs that conveniently engage with the squeeze of a lever, giving this saw a base of unparalleled sturdiness. Every accessory has a proper home on board the saw itself, and DeWalt's inclusion of a table-side release lever makes swapping riving knives and blade guards an absolute breeze. The fence, maxing out at 32.5 inches, was dead-on accurate from the jump, and tracking was consistent straight through the cut. I'm a fan of the push stick mounted inside the fence itself for easy access when making cuts close to the blade. Rip cuts, both straight and beveled, were clean and accurate, but dust control is merely average. Moving on to number 2, we have the Skil 15-amp 10-inch portable table saw, and this is our pick for the best value. This Skil saw makes a strong case for stretching your dollar where it counts, as long as you don't mind carrying the saw from place to place. This saw lacks wheels but has 4 legs that fold out from under it, card table style. For less than $350, you get a full 10-inch saw with the stability, if not the mobility, of a Jobsite saw. The legs are simple and effective, they lock in solid when you set them up and tuck away without turning the whole unit into a bulky mess. Looking beyond the stability design, this saw really shines where table saws should, in its cutting ability. The fence was dead-on accurate to the blade straight out of the box, and I was especially taken with the blade quality, which routinely ripped through 1x trim like a razor, leaving barely a mark to sand away later. Dust exhaust was equally impressive as a steady flow of debris cascaded from the rear port. Number 3 brings us to the Skilsaw 10-inch heavy-duty worm drive table saw with stand, our pick for the most powerful. Of all the saws I set up straight from the box, this one gave me the most trouble, and I attribute much of that to the rather poor schematics in the instructions. Once assembled, this saw is a beast in both size and power. Even the wheels are huge at 16 inches, which is something you have to account for when you return the saw to its storage position. That added circumference increases the speed of the drop, so be warned, it drops down fast. The shining feature of this saw is Skil's patented worm drive motor, which is self-cooling and powerful enough to rip through pressure-treated 4x4S without a hitch, making it the only saw on our list to clear that depth in a single pass. While the motor spins faster than other saws at 5,000 revolutions per minute, the gearing converts that speed to higher torque and lower blade speed under load, which makes cuts through heavy, damp lumber easier. The fence glides across the rack and pinion gearing with ease, extending out to 30.5 inches, which is fine for larger sheet materials. The saw has a powerful, fast startup and a quick braking system, and the table ruler is right on the money in terms of accuracy. Number 4 is the Evolution Jobsite table saw, our choice for the best for cutting wood and metal. We were introduced to this saw via the comments section of one of our social media posts, and it seemed like fans were adamant that we were overlooking a real contender. So, we listened and called it in for testing. While the rolling buck is not as sturdy as those on other saws, it rolls well across terrain and locks in horizontally at the push of the pedal. Once in place, this table saw is a workhorse like I've rarely used before. First, the saw is capable of cutting a variety of materials including wood, plastic, laminates, and steel, and that's all without changing the 28-tooth tungsten carbide blade that's included. The saw also boasts dual rack and pinion tracking, table extenders, leveling feet, and dado cutting capabilities. But the truly unique element of this saw is the built-in crosscut sled, which offers an added element of safety when making those risky cuts. The Evolution is a great choice for someone who routinely bridges materials in their work. Don't expect furniture-quality cuts from the general-use blade, especially over time if you're running through a lot of metal, but this unique saw certainly earns its spot on our list. And finally, number 5 is the DeWalt 8.25-inch 15-amp portable Jobsite table saw, our pick for the best compact corded saw. If compact size is a priority, or you just want a corded table saw that transports relatively easily, consider the small but mighty DeWalt DWE7485. Weighing a hair over 50 pounds and with a 27 by 27 inch footprint, this saw is well suited to smaller workshops, temporary workspaces, and casual woodworkers who might want to minimize clutter by stashing it out of the way until needed. Despite its compact size, the DWE7485 still provides the same convenient onboard storage perks found on beefier models with dedicated spaces for a blade guard, riving knife, anti-kickback pawls, blade change wrench, miter gauge, and push stick. The metal roll cage also gives this saw a durable, heavy-duty feel, although compared to the larger 10-inch DeWalt saw, some components felt a little less durable. Yes, the 8.25-inch blade doesn't give it a 30-inch rip capacity nor the cut depth you get from the 10-inch version, but as long as you have a decent idea of the scope of cuts you're planning, the superior storage and portability benefits potentially make this the more practical choice. And that wraps up our top 5 table saws of 2026. Whether you need the overall excellence of the DeWalt DWE7491RS, the incredible value of the Skil, the power of the worm drive Skilsaw, or the unique versatility of the Evolution, there is a perfect saw here for every workshop and every budget. I have included all the buy links for these products in the description below to help you find the best deals. If you found this review helpful, please do me a huge favor and smash that like button, share this video with a friend who needs new tools, and subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.